Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You'll start right at the taskbar. Right-click an empty area and choose Taskbar Settings. This takes you straight to Controls. Once in Settings, scan for Auto-Hide Taskbar and Taskbar Behaviors. Those toggles control visibility and on-screen focus. Turn on Auto-Hide to make the bar slide away. You'll regain vertical pixels. Make sure you're on the correct user account and note differences between Windows 10 and 11. This step sets the behavior you'll refine next. Once done with basic settings, refine how the taskbar appears. You can choose to show it on all displays or only the main one. Set that under Taskbar Behaviors. Lock the taskbar if you want it fixed when visible, and adjust icon overflow if items force it open. If icons keep appearing, hide them from notification area settings. Make sure you test by hovering at the screen edge. That confirms the hide/show trigger works across your monitors. You're almost done. Test the change by clicking away and then moving your cursor to the edge to summon the taskbar. If it refuses to hide, restart Windows Explorer via Task Manager or sign out and back in. This clears pinned processes that force visibility. If problems persist, check running apps with system tray icons that demand attention or use a reputable utility as a last resort. One troubleshooting tip: identify any notification.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.